Gabian na. Gabing-gabi in Amsterdam.
Als die het maken of was het wel? Small fries.
Good morning. I'm in Amsterdam. First day siguro. First day. Ito, kayang weather. Pwede mag-t-shirt. Nasa center ako. Center siguro. Wala akong map. Wala akong itinerary. Yung Replace Believe It or Not. Yung Madame Tussauds. At yung building. I don't know what building is that. Pero, super nice! Good morning! Daming tao. Dumandar, tapos wala ba sila nagsagbuan? So ito yung famous Amsterdam na kanal. Gutom na ako. Saan kaya kakain? Let's see. Let's see saan tayo kakain. Here in Amsterdam.
Famine, ça veut dire qu'on était en panique aussi. Le régime militaire.
So, traveling alone again. And I like it. Walang itinerary. Enjoying myself. Char. Mayugot. Ito, ang ganda Amsterdam. I wanna go back here. Pagkadating ko palang kagabi, na-feel ko siya. I wanna go back here. Again, siguro longer. I'll be staying here for 2 days actually. 2 days lang. So, hindi na ako pumasok sa mga museum kasi hindi ko ma-appreciate siguro or mas better kung may kasama. So mas gusto ko maglakad sa Amsterdam. Ito yung country na mas marami pang bike kaysa tao. Dito tayo sa museum, pero di tayo papasok ulit. Video lang tayo. Kasi parang feeling ko better na may kasama. Then, I'm not a museum person then. So, let's see what's here. May kumakanta. Ganda naman yan. Ay, ang ganda naman yan. Ang ganda niyang kumanta. Namamali pa yung sinasabi. So, ang daming nagbabike. Lipat tayo dun sa ano. So, para siyang yung sa Paris, yung Louvre, ano ba yung pang-pronouncement? Papasok ka sa isang malaking building, tapos yung entrance is nasa gitna. So, ganyan. Kung may may ticket dyan. Pasok ka dyan. Ang ganda ng boses niya. Doon siya, kumakanta. Good. Nice. Great. Hey, wala lang. I like Amsterdam. May nafe-feel ako sa Amsterdam. makasurvive. Kung makasurvive. So, dito na tayo. Let's see. Anong meron dito pa? Ang daming nagbabike. So, careful. Careful. Maganda yung weather. Hindi masyadong malamig. Hindi din masyadong mainit. Sakto lang. Ah, yun pala. Ang museum na hindi tayo pumasok. Ang hirap i-pronounce. Punta tayo sa garden. Explore lang natin, no? Ang ganda. Kaya siguro ano tatagal yung life nila dito. Kasi balance. My happiness at my garden. Diba? Nice. Oh, may coffee pa. Yun. Nag-coffee na ako kanina. Ayaw ko mag-coffee ulit. Ay, so nice. So nice. Thank you, Lord. Yan o, mga sculpture nila. Nasa Van Gogh, Amsterdam tayo. I will not go inside kasi again, nag-Van Gogh na ako sa London dati. Maybe soon, pag may kasama ulit ako, I'll go there inside. Nice. So what's next? Coffee. Or food. Let's see. Search nga tayo. Gandang weather. Magandang competition. In Amsterdam tayo. Pero follow the canal. Follow the canal. Di ka mawawala. What a great day. So, mag-search tayo ng apple pie. Sa Winkel 43 ba yun? So, let's go there. Winkel 43. Si Tadhana. Nasa Amsterdam na. Chinatown pa din. Chinatown, Amsterdam. What to eat here? This is Amsterdam. Gabi na. 9 na ng gabi. Uwi na siguro ako. On my, ano ba? Second day. in Amsterdam. Ito yung maingay na street paghapon hanggang gabi, pero napaka-tahimik sa umaga. Good morning. Thank you, Lord. Kasi it was a great stay. I wanna go back here in Amsterdam. There's a lot to explore. Napaka-peaceful sa morning. Amsterdam. Lalakad-lakad lang.
So they would take the box containing the spices, tie a rope around it, put the rope inside this hook, and then kind of hoist the spices on top of the building. And right now we have entered the river Amstel, and that's the only natural body of water here in Amsterdam. And now we're making a left turn.
Napakainit, pero nagpainit talaga para namang maputi. So exploring Amsterdam. Ang gwapo ng mga lalaki ito at ang mga girls din. So medyo pero maganda at mga gwapo sila. So, maganda at gwapo naman sila lahat sa paningin ko. Floating flower market. Mainit. Ito was flower market floating. Kailangan pumunta na sa sa cheese tasting tsaka beer.
Wat heb je dan vannacht, man?
I couldn't make up my mind on colors, and I'm like, I'm just gonna get one of every, and that way she can.
Yeah, the best, yeah. Thank you. Have a nice day. have three types of houseboats. The first one is the regular cargo ship, for example, that one. So this was a ship, but then the people who lived there had their engine removed, so now it's a houseboat. Then we have a shoebox type, as you can see this on the right. So this houseboat was originally built as a houseboat on a concrete base, and it never was a boat. And then we have something between that, so this one more front right. So this was a cargo ship, but then they built additional structure on it for them to be able to live more comfortably. But the story about this houseboats goes that after the Second World War, there was a housing crisis in Amsterdam. I mean, also there's housing crisis now, it's always housing crisis here. But back in that time, the government wanted people to come here to work. So they decided to let people live on the canals for free as long as they came with their own boat. And then in the 60s and 70s, a lot of people came to live on the canals and they became really crowded and they kind of lost their...
Now I'm flying from this airport going back to London.